Good afternoon, all. Welcome to the lecture of Advanced Discrete Mathematics. I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in last lecture, we have seen what is a permutation, and there are some fundamental principles. What is a permutation? Permutation means
Arrangement.
it is a arrangement. If suppose there are n things and we have to take r at a time, then it is a arrangement of n things and we have to take r at a time. Okay. Now today we have to see how to find out the value of PNR. That is how PNR is nothing but the n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay. So see the value of PN. That is which is also denoted by n per NPR. Okay, that is it is a permutation of n things where r will be taken at a time. Its value we have already known. That is, it is nothing but the n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So today we have to see why this is equal to this one only. Okay. So to find the number of permutations of n different things taken r. R must be less equal by n at the time. Okay, the number of permutations of n things taken r at a time is is same as the number of ways in which r blank places can be filled
सर
up.
काही जणांना जॉईन होता येत नाहीये.
Okay, join करायला सांगा. Filled up with n given things. Okay. So to find out the number of permutation of n things where r will be taken at a time is same as the number of ways in which r blank places can be filled up with n given things. Okay. जर तुम्हाला number of permutation काढायचे असतील n things असतील आणखी r at a time घ्यायचे असतील तर ते number of permutation of n things where r will be taken at a time is same as the if we have some r blank places and we have to fill up these r blank places by using the n given things. Both are the same things. Okay, so by using this one, we will find out the number of permutations of n things where r will be taken at a time. As here we have only r blank places and n given things where r will be less equal by n. Then what is the possibility of filling up the first place among these r blank places? Here there are r blank places,
Choice.
n given things, and r must be less equal by n. Then for first place, how many possibilities are there?
N
N
possibilities.
possibilities. So the first place can be filled up in n number of ways. Okay, since any one of the n different things can be put in it. Okay, so this is for the first place. Okay, so after filling the first place, how many possibilities for the second place?
n minus 1.
Since there are n minus 1 things left after filling up the first place, so for the second place n minus 1 ways are there. Since after filling up the first place there are n minus 1 things left. Okay, now then the first two places can be filled up in how many ways? By using the product rule. As first place can be filled up in n ways, second place can be filled up in n minus 1 ways, then the first two places can be filled up in n into n minus 1 ways, which implies the first two places can be filled up in n into n minus 1 number of ways. Now after filling up the first two places, there are n minus 2 things left. Since for first place we have n possibilities, for second place n minus 1 possibilities, and after filling up the two places there are n minus 2 things left. Then how many possibilities for third place?
n minus 2.
Which is nothing but n minus 2. Now again, the first two places can be filled up in n into n minus 1 ways, and third place can be filled up in n minus 2 ways. Then the first three places can be filled up in n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 ways for the first three places. Okay, now again by after filling up the first three places, again n minus 3 things are left. Okay, now it may be observed that at every stage the number of factors equal to the number of places filled up. Okay, by observation at every stage the number of factor is equal to the number of places filled up. For first place there is only one factor, which is nothing but the n. For the second place there are two factors. After filling up the first two places there are two factors, n into n minus 1. Okay, similarly for third place there are three factors, n into n minus 1 and n minus 2. Okay, again for fourth place n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. It means there are four factors. So at every stage the number of factors must be equal to the number of places filled up. Okay, and the second observation will be each factor is less than the preceding factor by 1. Preceding factor by 1. See here, there are three factors, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. n minus 1 is less than n by 1 factor by plus 1. n minus 2 is again less than n minus 1. Okay, so here each factor is less than the preceding factor by 1. Okay, so here we will construct one table. Here we will take the places, and this one is nothing but the number of ways filling up that places. Okay, now this one is the first place, second, third, and up to so on. Here somewhere will be r minus 1th place, and last one is nothing but the r. Now how many possibilities are there for first place?
n.
For second?
n minus 1.
For third, n minus 2. Then by observation, for r minus 1th place, how many possibilities are there?
n minus r minus 2.
n minus r minus 2, and for rth one n minus r minus 1. And the multiplication of all these factor is nothing but the permutation of n things where r will be taken at a time. Hence the number of ways of filling up all the r places, that is nothing but the number of permutations of n things taken are at a time is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to so on to r factors. Okay, so these factors are nothing but which is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to so on n minus of r minus 2 into n minus of r minus 1. Okay, since the number of ways of filling up the first two places is nothing but n into n minus 1. Filling up the first three places is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 1, 2. So the number of ways of filling up all the r places is nothing but multiplication of all these number of ways, which is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to so on n minus of r minus 1. And that is nothing but the permutation of n different things where r will be taken at a time. Okay, so which is nothing, and the permutation of n different things where r will be taken at a time is nothing but PNR, or which is also denoted by NPR, and which is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to so on n minus of r plus 1. Okay, and we can write this one as which is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to so on n minus of r minus 1. Next will be definitely n minus of r. Next is nothing but n minus r plus 1. So it is nothing but up to 2 into 1. So it is nothing but n minus r factorial divided by, as here we have multiplied n minus r factorial in the numerator, then we have to multiply it by denominator also. So it is nothing but n minus r. Okay, which is nothing but. Now the product of n consecutive integer beginning with 1 is nothing but
n factorial.
n factorial. So this one is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, which implies permutation of n different things where r will be taken at a time is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So in this way, this formula will be okay. So how this PNR will be equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial? By using this. Okay, कुणाल काही डाउट यामध्ये? Permutation of n things where r will be taken at a time, हा ही व्हॅल्यू इतकीच का n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. तर असं आपण फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. काही ना डाउट कुणाला?
No, sir.
Now, by using this one, tell me the number of permutation of n different things taken all at a time is nothing but the permutation of n different things where r will be taken at a time is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to so on n minus r plus 1. If we will take all the things at a time, then what is the permutation of n different things where all of them taken at a time is? There is one node.
n factorial.
Which is nothing but the n factorial. So the number of permutations of n different things taken all n at a time is nothing but p n, and it is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to so on n minus r minus 2 n minus 2 into n minus 1, and which is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to so on. N minus n get cancelled, minus of minus 2 which is plus 2 into n minus n again get cancelled, minus of minus 1 which is plus 1. So it is again the product of n consecutive integers starting with 1, so it is nothing but the n factorial. So the permutation of n things where all of them taken at a time is nothing but the n factorial, and that is we have used in our algebra for defining the permutation of S3, construction of S1, S2, S3, whatever we have said. Okay. Since n things will be arranged among themselves in n factorial phase. So the cardinality of Sn is nothing but
n factorial.
n factorial. Okay. Now, what is the value of 0 factorial?
1. 1.
Can we prove this? Prove करू शकता का?
n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial.
Yes, what? n factorial. काय म्हणले तुम्ही?
जर n factorial म्हणजे n into n minus 1 factorial असते. If we put n equal to 1, then we get 0 factorial value.
Yes. Okay. So either we use this one or put r equal to n in the definition of permutation. That is value of p and r. Okay. In this one, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Then we get p and n as n factorial divided by n minus n factorial. But p value of p and n is will be 1. N factorial divided by, sorry, value of p and n is n factorial. N factorial divided by n minus n 0, 0 factorial, which implies 0 factorial is nothing but n factorial divided by n factorial, and these are integers, so it is get cancelled, which implies 0 factorial is. Similarly, you can use this one also. N factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial. So put n equal to 1, which implies 1 factorial is nothing but 1 into 0 factorial. 1 factorial is 1, so 1 0 factorial is nothing but. Okay, third one. Here we have to show that the permutation of n different things where r will be taken at a time is nothing but the permutation of n minus 1 things where r minus 1 will be taken at a time into n is same as the permutation of n different things where r will be taken at a time. Okay, so consider n into permutation of n minus 1 things where r minus 1 will be taken at a time. N into, what is the value of this one? Permutation of n minus 1 things where r minus 1 will be taken at a time, which is nothing but n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 minus r plus 1 factorial, which is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, and it is nothing but n minus r factorial. What is n into n minus 1 factorial?
n factorial.
Is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. And n factorial divided by n minus r factorial is nothing but the permutation of n things where r will be taken at a time. Now there is one example. If permutation of n different things where 2 will be taken at a time is equal to 72, then find the value of n here. Okay, permutation of n different things where 2 will be taken at a time is equal to 72, and from that one we have to find out the value of an integer n. N in the definition of permutation we have said n must be an positive integer. Okay, now solution. Here n2, that is permutation of n different things where 2 will be taken at a time is equal to 70. Just write the value of this np2. What is np2? N factorial divided by n minus of 2 factorial, and which is equal to 70. n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial and divided by n minus 2 factorial, and which is equal to 700. N minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial get cancelled, so which is nothing but n into n minus 1, which is equal to 72. So it is nothing but n square minus n minus of 72 will be equal to 0. Okay, what are the roots of this polynomial? Yes, what are the roots of
minus
this?
8 and 9.
Minus 8 and 9. That is, it can be written as 9 square minus 9n plus 8n minus 72 will be equal to 0. Take n common, then we get 9 minus, sorry, n minus 9 plus 8 into n minus 9, and which is equal to 0, which implies n plus 8 into n minus 9, which is equal to 0, which implies possibilities of yet n are 8, sorry, minus 8 and 9. Then, what is the value of n?
9.
9. So what?
Positive integer.
Yes, n is always a positive integer. As we have n are the number of things, then it is not possible that n must be negative. Okay, so n is not equal to minus 8 since n cannot be negative. Negative. Then there is only one possibility for n, which is 9. Okay. Next example. If 2n, sorry, permutation of 2n plus 1 things where n minus 1 will be taken at a time as to permutation of 2n minus 1 things where n will be taken at a time is nothing but 3 to 5. Here we have given the ratio. Okay, so the permutation of 2n plus 1 things where n minus 1 will be taken at a time as to permutation of n 2n minus 1 things where n will be taken at a time has a ratio 3 to 5. Then find the value of n. Find the value of n. कसं फाइंड आउट करणार? रेशो दिलाय 2 परम्युटेशनचा, त्यावरून फाइंड आउट करायचे व्हॅल्यू n ची. Yes. How do you solve this one? Tell me the value of n.
सर सेम PNRN नी करता येतं ना.
सो फाइंड आउट करा. याची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करणार का मग तुम्ही सुरुवातीला? 2n plus 1 pn minus 1. That is, it is nothing but the permutation of 2n plus 1 things where pn minus 1 will be taken at a time. Yes, which is equal to 2n plus 1 factorial divided by 2n plus 1 minus n plus 1, which is nothing but 2n plus
2 factorial.
n plus 2 factorial and 2n minus 1 pn, which is equal to 2n minus 1 factorial, 2n minus 1 minus n, which is nothing but n plus 1, sorry, n minus 1 factorial. So here ratio is given, then we can write 2n plus 1 pn minus 1 adds to 2n minus 1 pn is nothing but, we can write this one as it just like a division. Okay, so it is nothing but 2n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 2 factorial into this one divided by this one. It means it is nothing but n minus 1 factorial divided by 2n मायनस वन. कोणाला काही डाऊट आहे का यार? करेक्ट आहे ना लिहिलेलं? रेशियो आहे तो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and this one is nothing but 3 divided by 5. Now this 2n plus 1 factorial can be written as 2n plus 1. What is its preceding term?
2n. 2n.
2n. Next one 2n minus 1 factorial into this one is nothing but the n minus 1 factorial divided by n plus 2 factorial can be written as n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n into n minus 1 factorial into 2n minus 1 factorial, which is nothing but 3 divided by 5. This 2n minus 1 factorial, 2n minus 1 factorial get cancelled. n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial get cancelled. This n get cancelled. So which is nothing but 2 into 2n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2 and which is equal to 3 divided by sorry right, so which implies so which is nothing but 4n plus 4 sorry 4n plus 2 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2 which is n square plus 3n plus 2 which is nothing but 2 divided by 5 and which is nothing but 5 into 4n plus 2 equal to 3 into n square plus 3n plus 2 which is equal to 20n plus 10 3n square plus 9n plus 6. So it can be written as 3n square 9n minus 20n minus of 11n 6 minus 10 minus 4 which is equal to 0. Tell me its root. What are the roots of
Minus
this?
12 आणि plus 1.
Minus
12 आणि plus 1.
कसं केलं तू?
Means sir 3n square minus
3n square आहे
12n
ना.
plus n minus 4 is equals to 0.
त्याचं हे सांगितलं का तुम्ही योग्य? मला वाटतं रूट सांगितलं 12. 3n square minus 12n plus n minus 4. Yes. So here we have to take 3n first. काय म्हणलं? 4 आणखी?
4 and minus 1 by 3.
Yes. Okay, so here take 3n common, then it is nothing but n minus 4 plus 1 into n minus 4 and which is equal to 0, which implies 3n plus 1 into n minus 4 will be equal to 0. Then n is nothing but minus of 1 by 3 or 4. Again, as n is an integer, this one is a fractional and it is also negative. But this one is not possible. So n equal to minus 1 by 3, not possible. Which implies there is only one possibility for n and which is 4. So n is equal to, okay. Now, third example. 3 prizes are to be awarded among 10 candidates. In how many ways can the prizes be given so that no candidate may get more than one prize? Yes, हे कसं फाइंड आउट करणार? there are 3 prizes and which are to be awarded among the 10 candidates, and here we have to find out the number of ways, sorry, in how many ways can the prizes be given so that no candidate may get more than one prize. Whether we here use the permutation. Yes, कसं सॉल्व करू शकतो याला. परम्युटेशनचं काही यूज होईल का?
सर पॉसिबल होणार नाही.
का?
प्राइजेसचा नंबर जास्त असला पाहिजे सर.
अहो 10 लोक आहेत माझ्याकडे, आणखीन प्राइजेस ती आहे इथं. एन आणखीन आर काय आहे ती चेक करा तुम्ही. Permutation of n different things where r will be taken at a time. Then what is the value of n and what is the value of r for this problem? 10 लोकांमध्ये 3 प्राइजेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करायचे आहेत. कसे? एकालाही 2 द्यायचं नाहीये. आणखीन असे किती पॉसिबिलिटी मिळू शकतात? 3 लोकांना द्यायचंय मला 3 प्राइजेस, कोणालाही डबल द्यायचं नाही. मे बी कुणाला नाही दिलं तरी चालेल. ऑब्विसली कॅन्डिडेट जास्त आहेत, प्राइजेस कमी आहेत, याचा अर्थ प्रत्येक पॉसिबिलिटीला तुम्हाला 7 लोक जे असे असतील की त्यांना प्राइज मिळणारच नाही, पण तुम्हाला पर्सन चेंज करू शकता. तो पर्सन चेंज करून किती पॉसिबिलिटी येतील इतकं काढायचं. सो इट इज सेम ॲज दी परम्युटेशन ऑफ 10 थिंग्स वेअर 3 विल बी टेकन ॲट अ टाइम.
येस सर.
As here, no candidate can get more than one prize. Can get more than one prize. So the required number of ways number is equal to the number of permutations of 10 different things taken 3 at a time. And that is 10p3, and which is nothing but 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 7 factorial. 7 factorial get cancelled, which is equal to 10 into 9 into, what is the multiplication of these 3 digits?
720.
7. So there are 720 ways of distributing these 3 prizes among the 10 candidates. Okay. So आतापर्यंत कोणाला काही डाऊट असतील तर विचारू शकता.
सर रिपीट करा ते.
प्रॉब्लेम का?
यस सर.
Here we have 3 prizes and which are to be awarded among the 10 candidates. 3 prizes आहेत, 10 लोकांमध्ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करायचं आहे. एकाही कॅन्डिडेटला एकापेक्षा जास्त प्राइज द्यायचं. म्हणजे तुमचे प्रत्येक वेळेला 7 लोक असे असतील ज्यांना प्राइज मिळणारच नाही. पण पॉसिबिलिटी आहे तुम्ही पर्सन चेंज केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला एक वेगळा सेट मिळेल, म्हणजे 3 लोकांचा एक वेगळा सेट मिळेल. अशी किती पॉसिबिलिटी आहे ती फाइंड आउट करायची आहे मला. म्हणजे माझ्याकडे थिंग किती आहेत? 10 आहेत. आर काय आहे माझा? 3 आहे. So here we have to find out the number of permutation of 10 things where R will be taken at a time. Since here there is no candidate which have more than one prize. Okay. So which is nothing but 10p3 and which is equal to 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 which is 7 factorial. 7 factorial get cancelled. कसं कॅन्सल? असं ना तो त्याला लिहू शकता ना, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7. हा गेला 10 into 9 into 8 which is equal to 720. Yes. आणखीन कोणाला करतो?
सर ते निगेटिव्ह का नाही घ्यायचं, म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह घेतलं तर काय होईल?
डेफिनेशन बघा ना, परम्युटेशनची डेफिनेशन काय आहे? परम्युटेशन इज नथिंग बट इट इज अन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ n थिंग्स वेअर r विल बी टेकन ऍट अ टाइम. म्हणजे माझ्याकडे काहीतरी n ऑब्जेक्ट आहेत, त्यामधून मी r ऍट अ टाइम घेणार आहे. n ऑब्जेक्ट जे घेणार आहे तुम्ही त्याला निगेटिव्ह मध्ये काउंट करणार आहे का तुम्ही? माझ्याकडे एक तर तो ऑब्जेक्ट 1 असेल, 2 असेल, 3 असेल, काहीतरी ऑब्जेक्ट घ्यावं लागेल ना मला. 0 ऑब्जेक्ट घेऊन मी त्याचं परम्युटेशन अरेंजमेंट करू शकतो का? माझ्याकडे काहीच नाही तर अरेंजमेंट काय करणार आहे? मग अरेंजमेंट माझी कधी पॉसिबल आहे? काहीतरी घ्यावं लागेल, म्हणजे कमीत कमी 1 तरी घ्यावं लागेल. 1 घ्या, 2 घ्या, 3 घ्या, काही का असे ना, घ्यावं तरी लागेल. जर माझ्याकडे ऑब्जेक्ट असेल तर मी त्याची अरेंजमेंट करेल ना, जर नसेलच तर काय करणार आहे? सो झिरो का नाहीये? कारण ऑब्जेक्टच नसेल तर अरेंजमेंट करायची गरजच नाही. -1 तर तुम्ही ऑब्जेक्ट घेऊ शकत नाही. -1 ऑब्जेक्ट म्हणजे काय घेणार आहे? ठीक आहे का?
येस सर.
ही फक्त माझे जे काही माझ्याकडे ऑब्जेक्ट असतील त्यांची अरेंजमेंट म्हणजे परम्युटेशन. डिफरंट अरेंजमेंट म्हणजे परम्युटेशन आहे. 0 आणि 0 फॅक्टर जर ऑब्जेक्टच नसेल तर अरेंजमेंटचा प्रश्नच येत नाही. -1 ऑब्जेक्ट तर तुम्ही घेत नाही. -1 ऑब्जेक्ट काय असणार आहे? फॉर एक्झाम्पल जर तुम्ही समजा काही घेतली, गोटॅग घेणार असेल समजा, एक कमीत कमी एक तर घ्यावं लागेल ना, तेव्हा काहीतरी त्याची अरेंजमेंट माझी पॉसिबल आहे. 0 माझ्या हातात काहीच नाही तर मी त्याला अरेंजमेंट करायचे प्रश्नच येत नाही. -1 गोटी पॉसिबल नाही. So n must be positive. Then only it is possible that the arrangement of such things will be possible. Okay. So as n is always positive, then n equal to -1/3, n equal to any negative integer will be not possible. So here we have to take the another possibility of n. That one is nothing but here 4, and its previous problem it is 9. Yes, आणखीन कुणाला काही डाऊट? असतील डाऊट तर विचारा. इतकं काही खूप अवघड नाहीये, पण यूज बऱ्याच ठिकाणी होईल तुम्हाला. फक्त मॅथमॅटिक्स मध्येच यूज होईल असंच नाहीये सर. कोणतीही कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह एक्झाम दिला तरी असे प्रॉब्लेम 100% असतात. त्या आहे का डाऊट?
नो सर.
नो सर. नो सर.
सांगा ना, बोलायला पण नको वाटतं तुम्हाला. Now here the next concept is nothing but the restricted permutations. That is, we have to add the restriction on our given objects or things. Okay. So first one, the number of permutation of n different things or object, whatever you, or objects taken are at a time in which a particular object do not occur is. Okay, so here the number of permutation of n different things where r will be taken at a time in which k particular objects do not occur. इथंही मला परम्युटेशनच फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. n different things r we have to take at a time in which k particular objects do not occur. It means from these n things, k things माझ्याकडे असे आहेत ज्यांचं परम्युटेशन मला करायचंच नाहीये. ओके, टोटल n थिंग आहेत, त्यामधून मला r ऍट ए टाइम आहे. आणखी के थिंग्स असं आहे ज्यांचं परम्युटेशन करणारच नाहीये आपण. म्हणजे टोटल व्हॅल्यू माझी किती येईल? परम्युटेशन ऑफ n मायनस के थिंग्स. कारण के थिंग्सचं तर मी परम्युटेशन अरेंजमेंट करणारच नाहीये. तितके थिंग्स काढून टाका and r will be taken at a time. Okay, so here it is nothing but the permutation of n different things where r will be taken at a time is nothing but the PNR. But here there are some k particular things having permutation is not. That is, here we can't make the arrangement of these k things. So here we have to subtract these k things from these n things, and we have to take r from them. Okay, so it is nothing but the permutation of n minus k things where r will be taken at a time. ठीक आहे, यामध्ये कोणाला काही डाऊट?
नो सर.
नो सर.
टोटल एन थिंग आहेत, त्यामधून के पर्टिक्युलर थिंग मी घेणारच नाही अरेंजमेंटसाठी, तो तिथे काढून टाका. वेअर आर विल बी टेकन ॲट अ टाइम, विच इज नथिंग बट द परम्युटेशन ऑफ एन मायनस के थिंग्स वेअर आर विल बी टेकन ॲट अ टाइम. Similarly, the second one, the number of permutation of n different things taken are at a time in which a particular objects are always present. फर्स्ट केस मध्ये के पर्टिक्युलर ऑब्जेक्ट कधीच नव्हते त्या परम्युटेशन मध्ये. सेकंड केस मध्ये असे घेतले आपण जिथं के पर्टिक्युलर ऑब्जेक्ट माझे हे नेहमी असतील त्या अरेंजमेंट मध्ये. ओके, सो ॲज हियर द नंबर ऑफ परम्युटेशन ऑफ n डिफरंट थिंग्स वेअर r विल बी टेकन ॲट अ टाइम इज नथिंग बट द pnr. ओके, बट हियर वी हॅव टू the number of permutation of n different things where r will be taken at a time. In that r, k will be always present. Okay, total n thing आहेत, त्यामधून मला मी r घेणार आहे. आणखीन त्या r मध्ये k हे माझे ऑलवेज प्रेझेंट असतील, म्हणजे परम्युटेशन ऑफ r things where k will be always there into. Okay, now k is going here, so it is nothing but the permutation of n minus k things where r minus k will be taken at a time. Since k particular things will be always present in that arrangement, so it is nothing but the permutation of r things where k will be always present. So the remaining things are n minus k things, and from that k will be always present, we have already taken this one, so remaining will be r minus k. So the total value is nothing but the permutation of n minus k things where r minus k will be taken at a time into permutation of r things will be in which k will be always present. ओके, यात कुणाला काही डाऊट?
नो सर.
टोटल माझ्याकडे n थिंग आहेत, मी r त्यातले घेणार आहे. त्या r मध्ये k हे माझे ऑलवेज प्रेझेंट असतील. मग r थिंग मध्ये k जर ऑलवेज प्रेझेंट असतील तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल? परम्युटेशन ऑफ r थिंग्स वेअर k विल बी टेकन ॲट अ टाइम. दिस वन इज नथिंग बट द फॉर दिस वन. ओके, टोटल n आहेत, त्यामधले k माझे इकडे गेले, तर टोटल माझे थिंग्स किती रिमेनिंग राहिले? n मायनस k. आणखीन या r मध्ये पण के ऑलवेज प्रेझेंट आहेत, त्यासाठी आपण ही व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केली. मग इथं शिल्लक किती राहिले? r मायनस के. सो दोघांचा प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे माझी टोटल व्हॅल्यू. ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे का? क्लिअर होत नाही?
ठीक आहे सर.
ठीक म्हणजे फक्त असं 2 वेळा सांगितलं म्हणून म्हणू नका. तुम्हाला कळालं असेल तर सांगा, नाही कळालं तर परत सांगा.
यस सर.
येस सर काय कळालं म्हणून येस सर, कळालं नाही म्हणून येस?
कळालं म्हणून यस सर.
ठीक आहे, we will take one example here. Example over here. Okay, so in how many ways many of the permutations of 10 things taken for at a time will in first 2 things always occur, and in second case 2 things never occur. Okay, so here we have to find out the number of ways of the permutation of 10 things taken for at a time will 2 things always occur and 2 things never occur. Okay, so see solution by comparing this one with above. What is the value of n here?
10.
N is nothing but 10. R will be 4. Okay, now the first case. Here we have to find out the number of permutation of 10 things where 4 will be taken at a time, in which 2 things always present. Okay, so it is nothing but the number of permutation of 10 things taken for at a time, in which 2 things always present. Always present. And by this formula, it is nothing but which is equal to permutation of n minus k things. K will be here. So what is the value of k for this case? K is nothing but 2. So permutation of n minus k, that is 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 things where r minus k will be taken at a time, that is 4 minus 2 into permutation of r things, that is 4, where 2 will be taken at a time. So it is nothing but permutation of 8 things, 2 will be taken at a time, into permutation of 4 things where 2 will be taken at a time, which is nothing but 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 2, 6 factorial, into 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2, 2 factorial, which is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, 6 factorial get cancelled, 8 into 7 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, 2 factorial get cancelled, it is 4 into 3. So what is this multiplication? 8 into 7 into 4 into 3, 56 into 12. I think it is
672.
972.
72. Okay, so the number of permutation of 10 things where 2 will be taken, 4 will be taken at a time, in which the particular things always present is nothing but 672. Similarly, second one is nothing but the number of permutation of 10 things taken for at a time, in which 2 things never present or never occur, is nothing but, by formula 1, it is nothing but permutation of n minus k things, that is 10 minus 2 things where r will be taken at a time, which is nothing but permutation of 8 things where 4 will be taken at a time, and which is nothing but 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 4, 4 factorial, and its value is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, again 56 into 30, which is nothing but
1680.
yes. So the permutation of 10 things where 4 will be taken at a time, in which 2 particular things never occur, is nothing but 1680. Okay, प्रकारचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करू शकता
Yes, sir.
करू शकता तर करा एक प्रॉब्लेम. इन हाऊ मेनी वेज seven boys and 5 girls be seated in a row so that no 2 girls may sit together. Okay, so here we have to find out the number of ways in such that 7 boys and 5 girls will be seated in a row so that no 2 girls may sit together. Okay, म्हणजे मला number of possibilities काढायचे कशी समजा. Here there is only restriction on girls, that is गर्ल माझे फक्त 2 गर्ल एकत्र बसू शकत नाही. There is no restriction on boys. Here there is no restriction on boys. Okay, so boys वर माझी रिस्ट्रिक्शन नाही, तर आपण त्यांची पोझिशन फिक्स करू. इफ सपोज दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट बॉय, हियर समवेअर इज B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. 7 बॉयज आहेत माझ्याकडे, 5 गर्ल्स आहेत. 5 गर्ल्सला या रो मध्ये असं बसवायचं आहे की 2 गर्ल माझे एका पाठोपाठ नाही आले पाहिजे. ओके, जर मी इथं 2 केलं, हे पॉसिबिलिटी नाहीये, म्हणजे गर्ल्स साठी पॉसिबिलिटी काय आहे माझी, दिस वन, दिस स्टार इज नथिंग बट द पॉसिबिलिटी फॉर गर्ल्स. ओके, जिथे जिथे स्टार आहे तिथं मी गर्ल्सला बसवू शकतो, म्हणजे माझी कंडिशन ही सॅटिस्फाय होईल. जर या ठिकाणी मी बसवलं तर कुठेही 2 मुली एकामागे एक बसणार नाही. मग मला एक मुलगी जर बसवायची असेल तर तिच्यासाठी किती पॉसिबिलिटी आहे,
8 possibilities.
8 possibilities. Similarly for second girl there are 7 possibilities, third one 6 and fourth one 5 possibilities. Okay, now but as here हे पर्टिक्युलर अरेंजमेंट घेतली ना आपण बॉईजची, बॉईज वर काही रिस्ट्रिक्शन नाही. मग आता these boys can be arranged among themselves in 7 factorial ways. ही माझी फर्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी आहे. काही होईल, B2 सुरुवातीला असेल, B1 त्याच्या मागे असेल, किंवा B3 सुरुवातीला असेल, B3 च्या ठिकाणी B1 असेल. म्हणजे या बॉईज साठी पॉसिबिलिटी किती आहेत, 7 फॅक्टोरियल वेज आहे.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 7 boys can arrange among themselves in 7 factorial. ओके, इथं माझं बॉईजचा प्रश्न झाला. ओके, आता काय सेकंड गर्ल्ससाठी काय आहे माझा 8 प्लेसेस आहेत आणि त्या 8 प्लेसेस मध्ये मला 5 गर्ल्स कुठेही बसू शकतो मी. देन व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ n हियर? हियर n इज नथिंग बट 8 and r is nothing but 5.
5.
Okay, so the 5 girls can be seated in 8 places in 8p5 ways, since it is just like a permutation of 8 things where 5 will be taken at a time. Okay, so boys 7 factorial ways नि बसू शकतात, गर्ल्स 8p5 ways नि बसू शकतात. Then by multiplication rule, that is the product rule, hence the required number of ways of seating 7 boys and 5 girls under the given condition is equal to 7 factorial into 8p5, that is 7 factorial into 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 5, 3 factorial. That is, it is nothing but 7 factorial into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. These are the number of bits. ठीक है. Next example. In how many ways 4 boys and 4 girls can be seated in a row so that boys and girls are alternate. Okay, so here we have to find out the number of ways in which 4 boys and 4 girls can be seated in a row so that boys and girls are alternate. म्हणजे एक मुलगा एक मुलगी नेक्स्ट अगेन मुलगा मुलगी असं बसवायचं. तर किती पॉसिबिलिटी आहे सांगा.
4 factorial into 4 factorial.
4 फॅक्टोरियल इंटू 4 फॅक्टोरियल. आणखीन कोणाचं काही आन्सर? त्याला सोडून कोणाचं आहे का? हे कसं फाइंड आउट केलं?
सर 4 boys साठी 4 factorial choice and रिमेनिंग ज्या प्लेसेस असतील त्यासाठी पण 4
म्हणजे जर
factorial.
समजा इथं बॉईज घेतले मी, मग गर्ल्सला पॉसिबिलिटी काय? अल्टरनेट घ्यायचंय. आता अल्टरनेटला कसं घेणार तुम्ही? भांडण लावल्यासारखं झालं ना तुम्ही. मुलगा पहिला घेणार का मुलगी पहिला घेणार? करेक्ट आहे ना?
येस सर.
इथंही घेऊ शकता, इथंही घेऊ शकता. जर इथं घेतला तर 4 मुली माझी इथंच संपतील. ठीक आहे. आणखीन जर इथं घेतला तर ही पॉसिबिलिटी होईल. करेक्ट आहे का? जर बॉईज
Yes,
फर्स्ट
sir.
प्लेसवर असेल तर ही पॉसिबिलिटी, जर गर्ल्स फर्स्ट प्लेसवर असेल तर ही पॉसिबिलिटी. मग दोन वेगवेगळ्या कंडिशनसाठी फाइंड आउट करावं लागेल.
येस सर.
सो देयर इज केस 1. व्हॅल्यू सेमच असेल दोन्ही केसला, फक्त दोन पॉसिबिलिटीज मिळतील माझी. केस 1, व्हेन ए बॉय sits at the first place, sits at the first place, then the number of ways are nothing but 4 factorial into 4 factorial ways. So the number of ways are 4 factorial into 4 factorial ways. 4 factorial into 4 factorial कसाला डाऊट नाही ना मागच्या एक्झाम्पल नुसार.
No, sir.
Boys arranged among themselves in 4 factorial ways. Girls arranged among themselves in again 4 factorial ways. Okay. So total number is nothing but 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Now the second possibility is case second. When a girl sits at the first place. So the number of ways are again same.
Yes sir.
A plus
Yes, sir.
4 factorial into 4 factorial ways. But we have to find out the total number of ways in which 4 boys and 4 girls can be seated in a row so that boys and girls are alternate. Total साठी इथं शेवटी माझा प्रोडक्ट होईल का सम होईल?
सम होईल सर.
Sum will definitely. So the total number of ways are 4 factorial into 4 factorial plus 4 factorial into. Okay. Yes. आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये किंवा आतापर्यंत कोणाला काही डाऊट असेल तर विचारू शकता.